In the heart of an ancient kingdom, there stood a knight named Sir David, known throughout the realm for his bravery and unwavering honor. The kingdom, once a place of peace and prosperity, had fallen under the shadow of a great evil. Dark soldiers roamed the land, dragons torched villages, and fear gripped the hearts of its people. But David was not a man to sit idly by while his home crumbled. Armed with his gleaming sword and clad in shining armor, he vowed to protect his kingdom at any cost. David's journey began at dawn, with the sun casting a golden glow over the rolling hills and dense forests. His steed, a powerful black stallion, galloped through the vast landscapes, the rhythmic thud of hooves a constant companion. Wide shots revealed the expanse of the kingdom, from lush valleys to towering mountains, each frame a testament to the beauty and peril that lay ahead. Close-up shots captured David's determined gaze, his eyes reflecting the fire of his will and the burden of his mission. As he ventured further, David encountered his first challenge, a fire-breathing dragon guarding the entrance to a treacherous mountain pass. The battle was fierce and unyielding. The dragon's roars echoed through the peaks as it unleashed torrents of flame. David, with agile movements and precise strikes, fought valiantly. The clash of steel against scales and the knight's unwavering focus were showcased in gripping close-ups, revealing sweat on his brow and the intensity of his resolve. Triumphantly, he conquered the beast, his sword piercing its heart, securing passage through the mountains. The next part of his journey led him through eerie, fog-laden woods, where the dark soldiers lay in ambush. The forest scenes were dense and foreboding, with shadows dancing between the trees. David's fight against these foes was brutal and relentless, his swordsmanship an art of survival and justice. Cinematic lighting highlighted the contrast between the dark forces and his gleaming armor, emphasizing the clash between light and darkness. Each skirmish left David breathless yet resolute, his honor guiding him beyond exhaustion. Finally, he reached the ancient castle where the source of the great evil resided. Standing tall with its imposing towers and formidable gates, it was a place shrouded in darkness and filled with menacing whispers. Crossing its threshold, David faced myriad challenges, from deadly traps to formidable sorcerers. The castle interior was depicted with grandiosity, every stone and corridor echoing history and menace. In the climax of his journey, David confronted the Sorcerer King, the mastermind behind the kingdom's turmoil. The battle was one of epic proportions, filled with magical blasts and sword clashes.